Hello. Why Marama? Hello? Hi. Umakachibe ya mma. Asaunwa. Yo. Nele go deni man over there. Turn go the back. Chai. Makazi, you are very beautiful.
Thank you.
As you just pass, I no feel concentrate again. All right. My name is Noni. I'm into trucks, business.
Wow. I see ya.
Yes.
What kind of truck?
I have so many
Sure,
trucks.
this big truck.
Big trucks.
I see.
I have like
Jesus.
4-5 trucks.
I like it though.
You
Those
like
people
it?
used to have money.
Yeah, I'm a big guy. Like, I will spoil you. Money no be problem. You know, say, and I even they manage one.
Yeah.
They drive one. Driving are my hobby now.
You will carry me. Oh.
You know that truck? Don't worry, I go carry you.
Okay.
I just like you as you pass. Say make we keep contact. At least make I call you, Pano. If say na the evening time, I that's an evening. You know that kind of thing, fine girl. Papa talk to the number. Guess what? Make I just people go there, but just put her ass small. Morgan, no, make I spoil you. I got to check for the evening. You know that? Fine girl. You know that?
My name is Mimi.
Mimi, yo! Why you want another baby? Nah, sorry. Fine girl. Don't worry now.
Bye bye.
I'll call you, eh? See, fine, yeah.
Jesus. Is this person not MC Nolly? MC Nolly! What are you doing with all the trucks?
Now my working place be this now. I arrange my trucks so I need to work now.
Your working place? They drive all these trucks.
Now my trucks be this. I tell you I want trucks. Now my trucks be this.
You dey work with all these trucks? I don't understand.
When you see me, what thing I dey do?
Now trucks I see you with now.
No be driver, they drive am so.
You dey drive truck where they use push water. Men can lie.
Women can dig. Women can dig. My brother, abeg come. Abeg, na wetin be this? No, talk am again, make she hear. Na wetin be this? No be truck be this. I mean this girl tell her say I get truck. Say I be truck owner. Say I dey manage one for myself. I don't understand wetin she come dey talk o.
He tell me saying they drive truck, no be this kind of.
When you see me, no be truck I dey drive so. I no drive am. Now, so na the truck be this now.
God forbid.
God forbid.